name is Roshni. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you aren't already a subscriber, please subscribe and give this video a like. Today, I'm gonna help you create a very simple game called the drone game. This is where there are two drones and you're controlling one, the CPU is controlling one, and you have to avoid that drone. But I'm gonna put my own twist to it. So the first thing I want to do is set a background. So let's try a couple of backgrounds. So this is the city. This is the galaxy and floating grass. Which one do I pick? Let me try. Sorry, let me try. I saw something that looked very interesting. Fine, let's try Parkview. Now this looks quite plain. Let's try pine trees. Ooh, that looks really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this. The next, so what I want is I want two sprites motionless at the bottom, and I want two flying sprites at the top. So I'm gonna go to this and I'm gonna do make new sprite, and I'm gonna get another one because first I'm gonna make the two motionless sprites. So I want bunnies and carrots. So okay, these two bunnies. And I want a carrot and another carrot. But let's say you don't want these and you don't want any that are here. So you click on more and you just either draw your own or just go to these, look, see food, and then you like click the different pages. Okay. And then whatever you click on, so let's try, let me click on this banana. Then when you open that again, it'll come to the first and then you can choose that sprite, okay? The next thing I'm gonna do is put them in their position. So I'm gonna take the purple rabbit and put it here. So I just click on this button. I'm gonna put the brown one over there. And the red carrot right here. And the golden carrot over here. You can also just use the x-axis and y-axis respectively to change it from here, like with these numbers, but I personally like doing this. But now I think the carrots are a bit too big, so I'm gonna go to my action tab and bring two set sizes. I'm just copying and pasting it. I hope you know how to do that. Copy is Control C, so just select the block Control C and then Control V to paste it. So I'm just going to first select these because you have to make sure the sprite is selected. And this is too small. So notice how it disappeared because there's no size, so it's like basically as small as possible. It's like invisible. So 60 I'm gonna put, and 60. Okay. Now I want to control this actual carrot, not the golden one. So I go to events and I bring a when up pressed. I want it to move in all four directions. So I've used, so this up, down, left, right, all of this is the arrow keys, okay? But you also have letters, okay? So letters on your keyboard. Next thing I do is, these are the blocks that will move the sprite. So, one second, just let me move this. So when I want the carrot to move not 10 but 20 pixels, no, when the up key is pressed. So when the down key is pressed, I want the same thing, just south. When the left key is pressed, so I'm just gonna click on left. Then I wanted to move same 20 pixels but west. And finally, when the right key is pressed, then I wanted to move the same 20 pixels but east. So now we have created the sprites. One sprite is moving. Now we need to make sure that the other sprite moves too. So I go to the behaviors and I put it over here. Yes. I'm just gonna move this one down then. It really doesn't matter what order you put it in, okay, these. But when run should come first because it's like the activator and you want the background first, then you want the sprite to be created like an order. So the golden carrot, so I go to the behaviors tab and I get wandering. So now it'll just wander around. You won't have to control it. The next thing I want is that when the carrot I'm controlling touches the golden carrot, the game should end. Basically, they should disappear. So I go to the events and I bring a when sprite touches other sprite. So when this carrot touches the golden one, then I go back to my actions tab, get a size. I bring two of them and I select the respective carrots. Then their size should become 0, which means they will basically disappear. I hope you understood this much. So if you don't understand what I've done or have any doubts, just please type it in the comments and I'll just either respond or just create a new video explaining that. Now that we have all of this, let's check if it works. Just let me control this. See, it's wandering, so I have to avoid it. See, the minute I touch it, 0, they're gone. Then I reset it and again I run it. Ooh, this is actually quite fun. Oh, see, it touched it and it's gone. Goodbye.